I always like to start with educating my policyholders. So, yes, technically, insurance is a sales position, but I like to consider it more of an offering. You are offering a policy. With offering, you're also kind of a teacher. So, you want to make sure you educate your policyholders on what the coverages mean. Local agents that just write the policy and don't really break it down for their customers may have saved 5 minutes of their day. However, in a year from now, when the policyholder calls and says such and such happened, taking another 5 to 10 minutes to explain to them the difference between a warranty and an insurance policy is going to suck up more time. So I always like to just educate in the beginning. If I can do that via email or in writing, it gives me a reference point. The biggest difference between a warranty and insurance, a warranty is going to be like your AC unit, right? Like your appliances in the home. Most people can buy warranties on those things. Insurance, on the other hand, is in the case of sudden and unexpected damage, not wear and tear. So there's going to be a difference between a warranty and an insurance policy. So I also like to communicate that. It doesn't even take me 5 minutes. It didn't take me 5 minutes now. So important to be able to communicate that.